Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix the 403 forbidden error on websites using simple methods on Google Chrome and other browsers in 2026. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix the 403 forbidden error on websites, there are two simple methods on how to fix this. For the first method is simply going to refresh your website. And if that method didn't work, let's proceed to the second method. For the second method, we have to clear cache and cookies. In order to do that, we must go to the settings. To go to the settings, just hit the three dots on the top right corner of your screen and scroll down until you see a settings tab. Now click settings and go to the privacy and security. Now if you are in the privacy and security, scroll down until you see clear browsing data or delete browsing data. After clicking on the delete browsing data, you can simply delete from this device. There you have it. That is how you fix the 403 forbidden error on any websites, on Google Chrome, and other browsers. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.